Now I have to deal with the sandworms again. I'm gonna eat you. I need food. I didn't get an egg bug this time. Alright. Find a shelter. Please. A shelter. Hey, mole lizard. Buddy. Need a rock. Have another rock. How about another rock? You annoyed enough? Come on. Thank you. Shelter! Is that food? That is not. Don't worry about it, Dreki. Okay. I'm gonna lock this in. I'm gonna sit back down. Okay. I think it maybe it's not karma reinforced, but I think maybe I need to be at maximum. To do the thing. I feel like we have almost made all of the connections. Just that one place we need to get back to over in the desert. Somewhere. I assume I'll loop back around to it eventually. Okay, it is maximum. Okay, at maximum karma, I float and tear rifts in space and time. Which is okay. I'm sure it's no big deal. I don't think we need to worry about that. We'll just leave that there. It's fine. Oh, no, 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 no! It's the Badlands again. Okay. Just gonna go back this way and go up. Not sure how the locusts are able to see us when we're invisible specifically. It's very strange. Hello, snail. Whom I don't understand. Got an orange one and a green one. Give me my spear back. Come on. Give me my spear back. What'd you do with my spear? Give me my spear back. Rude. I just stabbed you. Like, it's no big deal. Well, we are stuck in between a lizard and a wormy place. And remember when our biggest problem was grape popcorn? That sure was the times, wasn't it? How far can you go, buddy? Go for the salad. Go for the lizard. Get him. Get him, worm. Yeah. Yeah. Slurp him. Oh man, he didn't get slurped. Oh well. Hey! Sorry, Mo Lizard, but I need the Dragon Slayer. Got some fucking worms over here. Look, it's another white pearl. Strange that we haven't found a colored pearl. I wonder what that could possibly mean. Fuck! I had my hands swapped. I had my hands swapped. Son of a bugger. I am annoyed. Cannot believe I got like that. Absolute amateur shit. Come on, Dreki. Don't let me interrupt y'all. I'm sure y'all are having a great time over there. Fortunately, I do not have a spear this time to pop the popcorn plant. Now I do. Okay, let's go over there and get fed. Fuck it. One short's good enough. Alright, back to where we were going. With a significantly shorter cycle. So that's great. Love that for me. Okay, if I'm invisible, the worms only hunt by sight? Seems like they do. Get speared, nerd. Get speared, nerd. Get speared. Third. That's what they want you to think. I knew it. Let's see, we need to go. Okay, what's over here? A place to go up. Oh boy! What a lucky slug cat I am! A place to go up. Okay, but that's a place to rest. And we're gonna lock in that mole lizard kill, so I'm one away from Dragon Slayer, baby. Just need to kill a cyan and save. Wait a minute. Why is the other zone purple now? Wait, is that Coral Caves? Does it connect back to Coral? Ooh. Is that gonna close the loop? Well, I finally found all of the areas. Does it indicate I'm close to something? Okay. That's a lot of scavengers. Is that a scavenger toll? Y'all dealing with something over there? It is a scav toll. Interesting. I ain't got shit to pay y'all with. I'm keeping this industrial pearl in my stomach, alright? Just in case I do run into an iterator to give it to. Or something to give it to. I do want to see what's on the other side of that toll, though. I am invisible! Why are y'all coming for me? Y'all suck. That's what I thought. Those two connect. All right. Now what's up here? Do we have a portal up here? That looks different. It's a karma flower. Okay, so this is a place where I need to rip a new one. Noted. What happens if I turn invisible? Don't mind me. Seems like there's passive worms and aggro worms. They had slightly different symbols. There's gotta be a way to keep them from swarming me. I don't know what it is, though. I see. Okay. I have just made a giant circle. Noted. Screen's dangerous. Very careful with what's going on here. Oh, it's a caramel. Yeah, you gotta really be careful with that. Where is he? Red banana, good soon, don't get angry at the corner. Too late. I'm already mad. I have a wonderful rejuvenating eve. Iced. And take care. Thanks for stopping on by. I hope your speed scuggin also went well. Once I get through this, I'll have to see what a more refined run looks like, because I feel like I'm going all over the place. Coral! Exactly. Alright, let's go through that rift now. Leave me alone, fuckers. Wow. Oops. I ripped open another one. Just keeps happening. Do I have? I do not have karma reinforcement. Yee. All right. Yeah. Good reason as any to have eaten that dang karma flower, now that I think about it. It's delectably delicious. Where am I arriving? The surface. Ooh, I'm at the surface again? Interesting, interesting. Substantial if factual. I can't get up there though. Huh? Game? Why are you like this, game? Oh my god. You put a shelter right there and I can't even use it. Why? Alright, we got like 5 spears here. Alright, we'll fix this. No, do not send me through. I now have to dodge going through this portal just so I can get to this frickin' shelter. I don't think that is good. All of that. That's just not, that's not well set up. That's not well set up. It's just, it's not well set up. All right. Wait, we don't have... What about this thing? Well, shit. Very strange. That's a whole lot of scavengers. I think I'll let them take care of him. It's their problem now. I guess I just go down and right. I mean, it doesn't look like a death plane down there, but I mean... I'm gonna do this jankery again. Fuck you. God, I hate the wind. It just messes everything up. Oh, something coming up this pipe? Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm going down here. Ow. No, 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 no. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I don't wanna die, man. I don't wanna die. I hope this scav party can get out of my eyes. Hmm. All right, let's go invisible. All of this is new area for the surface. Okay, dreamer. No need to make an ass out of me. Jeez. Ooh. Have a free spear, comrade. This is still new. Also, the music cut out. That's kind of creepy. Oh, look, it's another area where I can't go up because it requires you to have spears. Make a spear ladder. So traversable. Yay. Wormgrass? Wormgrass? Aw, hell nah. Hell nah. I ain't touching grass. I ain't touching shit. This slug cat lives on the edge. That is all new areas. Okay. Okay. Got that. And this goes to... This is also pretty new. Okay. Oh, it's wormgrass! I see. Noted. Well, well, well. If it isn't the Skug Maestro themselves. Accidental wall pounce. It's cool, it's cool. We're all chill here. Comrades in arms, you might say. Okay. Green lizards are getting pretty fabulous. A camo lizard over there. Or a pink lizard. Either way, I'm probably gonna stab it. Right in the booty, baby. What a Skug's all about. Hitting him in the butt. Let's see. Where does this go? Okay, we've got a portal there. We've got a shelter here. We got a bunch of bullshit over there. Should have gone in the shelter, Dreki. Absolute buffoon. Utter chuckle fuck. Alright, we are sheltering. Oh, good thing, because that cycle was almost over. Okay, so we can get some blueberries to the right, and then we can go to the portal. That way, we are fully fed and ready to not be dead. Aw, man. I was trying to get my green kill. Dang it. Guess it still ain't happening. Ain't no dragon slayer here. Alright. Let's go through that portal and see where it takes us. Oh wait, that's not a proper portal. I see. Noted. Well, shucks. Guess I should continue on to the right then. I was wondering there was something that I bypassed back to the left. But oh well. I think that pink lizard's gonna die to worm grass. See, chat? This is why I don't touch grass. Not even once. Apparently, it can even sense me when I'm invisible. I don't like this. Okay. I have made a severe mistake. Holy shit! I can shoot a fucking laser beam? What? Who gave these lizards freaking laser beams? Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. This has gotten a little bit silly, okay? Lizards with freaking laser beams? I fucked up real bad. Yeah, I can't believe either, Dreamer. This is a whole new level of mucked up. All right. Now I need to get my karma flower back. And then let's not go topside. Topside is cursed, okay? Uh-oh. Vulture! Okay. Oh, there's a karma flower down here. Interesting. Really? The dead end? I have to go over there. Let me see. Sniped! Wreckaroni pepperoni. Ooh, that is ooh, stabs. Okay. I guess the only thing we can do is try to go over here once again. Are we on? Ah! Alright, that vulture startled me. What's this vulture doing, dude? Go away. Mind your own business, dude. Got vultures, got lizards with frickin' laser beams. What's next? A flying leviathan? Call it the white whale. I escaped. This is a place I've been to before. Okay, let's just rearm ourselves real quick. Okay, vaguely remembering things now. Not really, but I'm gonna say I am. I think I fell down this last time when I came through here. Yeah. I think I portaled from up there down here. All right, so I go left. Okay, there's stuff over to the left I haven't been to. So that's the way we're gonna go. Backtracking! Oh boy! Awesome! So cool! Where, oh, where's your slug cat mind gone? Where, oh, where could it be? Were you ever there? Or were you just pretending to be? Oh, slug cat, Where have you been? How could you possibly know where we've gone? Oh, slug cat, you are lost. You should try and be a cartographer. Delicious, delicious noodle fly. Okay. I don't know how I get up there on the surface, but oh well. Man, imagine if you had more slug cats having pre-cycles as well as all this shit. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Oh, you've been juked. Ah. Okay. I am at maximum fullness. Don't you worry about me. Butterflies. I'm here for you. You better not be here for me. Okay, this is all new. That's eerie. I feel like the echo might be that way. Like, oh me. Wait a minute. If I fall down, I will not be able to get back up. So we're gonna check this other side first. I don't inconvenience myself. No, 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 no! Frickin' worm grass, dude! Gotta be fucking with me. Oh, it's so mean. It's so freaking evil where they put the freaking... These are not small patches of worm grass either. These are pretty freaking big batches. Worm grass truly is the devil. Exactly. Especially because if you climb a pole, it actually is easier for the worm grass to get you. Because you lose, because the way your momentum changes. And the force they're able to exert on you. Ah, oh, great. This fucker again. Hold on. I embedded both of my freaking spears. Are you serious with me? Man, that would have been perfect to get my freaking Dragon Slayer. Now I'm spearless. I like the part where even invisible, damn worm grass can still see me. Apparently. All right. Back to Karma. This is new. Is that a cyan? Nope, that's a blue. Damn. Okay, we're starting to get some pretty big patches of worm grass. Even if it's blue worm grass, that is a lot. Starting to border on red worm grass. That was close. That Tundra Fault? Huh? Nani? Buddy, there is way too much worm grass going on here. I'm gonna need to cut you off. He's not asleep, so that's not the echo. That is a death plane. Great. Oh, we need to worry about temperature again. Got it. Great. I swear to dog, if there's freaking wind, I will defenestrate all of you. All of you are being fenestrated. Fens straighted. It's a lizard with the freaking laser beam. I would like to rest so I don't perish. That is interesting. Little map thing. Fuck off, vulture. I'm running to find some place to rest so I don't freeze to death. Please give me a frickin' shelter. Please, game. I would like to not die. Please. I don't want to perish. Not like this. Not like this. I would like to live on my own terms. You ain't shit here. It's just a bunch of firecrackers. Y'all fuck. Alright, we are about to die to the temperature. Okay, weird sound effects. Are you a portal? Shelter! Oh, sweet Jesus, the shelter! Oh, just in time. Just in the nick of time. I don't know where we are, but we're here right now. Mmm. Tastes so sweet, baby. Wait, the Badlands are someplace different than the Torrid Desert? I don't believe you. Hey, scavenger buddy. Glad we were able to stay warm over here, cuddling up. Real nice, like. Seems a bit dangerous. Oh, sure, I might head this way. What if we go up? What is up with airline food here? I don't know why there's combat music, but I'm going to go invisible. Ooh, I'm just like a camo lizard. And make a mockery of your skills, camo lizard. Ooh. Who puts a pipe without an arrow? Without a thing to grab? Ooh, we got a portal over here. Interesting, interesting. Hopefully the worm grass doesn't come with us. That would be awkward. Huh? Shrouded Coast.